How does the LEICA iCON total station controller utilize the DXF line drawing to do layout? Now, let's see if I can explain. This is the typical line drawing we get from engineering in the PDF form. It is drawn up in building information modeling, or REVIT, and then it is sent to me as a DXF file, which is a generic CAD drawing format. When it gets to me, as of lately, it looks something quite similar to this. As you can see, they are identical. Once I get it, this is what it looks like in model form. And when I get it, I take all wording, dimensions, everything else off. And it looks like this. And then it is put into the iCON controller of the total station. And it looks like this is what the face of the controller looks like. And this is in stakeout mode. This is what we do to do all our layout. If we were to lay out a column, pick a column by itself. Say I want to lay out that side, this side of this column. So once the line is selected, push start. And so what you got here is the starting flag, finish flag. So this number here, this is how far away this range rod is away from the green flag, the end of the line. 1 foot 2 7/8, and then offset, you're 1 foot 2 1/16. So what we try to do is get it as close to 2 foot by 2 foot as we can. Obviously, you get a more visual when it's in real life instead of this cartoon controller. But if you were to lay out an actual corner, come on, cursor. So I'm even with the end of the line, and I'm 2 foot off of it to the opposite corner. So, and then an important thing to do is you want to make sure that the thing is coordinated to the same spots. We pretty much always use this coordinate for this corner. And then what I do is I have been placing this coordinate and double check, make sure that all these cross grids are in the correct spot. The other thing we do is, let's see if I can get this to do this. Okay, so we go to slopes. We go to okay, and you enter in okay, so now you got all that parameters, you got the maximum height entered in, you can see it ends at the correct line, and you check that, and when you hit start, you get cross section. This tells you, let's get a little closer. So this number here tells you how much further up you have to go. This number is how far forward straight level you have to go to hit the angle of the ramp. And just by elevating these lines, we can do this slope command. Let's see if I get the whole slope in here. Okay, so this is the parameters of the slope. Figure this is a pretty good program here. I hope that helps a little bit on what we do. Thank you very much for your time.